Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Now in this video we are going to talk about subjective pronouns, be verb and how to use them with the word not. Okay? In other words, we are going to talk about verb to be in negative form. Okay? Muraho murakaza neza muri iyi video. Muri iyi video tugiye kuganira ku nshinga kuba ariko mu buryo buhakana, negative form, mu buryo buhakana. Okay, let's take a look at the board to help us out. Reka turebe ku kibaho kugira ngo bidufashe. The first sentence says I am not a student. I am not a student. Ntabwo ndi umunyeshuri. Not means no, it's not true. No. Ijambo not risobanura oya, ntabwo ari byo, ni uguhakana nyine. Remember, mwibuke, I am a student, ndi umunyeshuri mu buryo bwemeza. I am not a student, sindi umunyeshuri mu buryo buhakana. I am a student, ndi umunyeshuri. Yes, I go to school and I learn. Yego njya ku ishuri nkiga. Okay? I am not a student, ntabwo ndi umunyeshuri. It means maybe I am a teacher. No, I am not a student. Wenda ndi umwarimu. No, I am not a student. Okay? You are not a student. You are not a student. Ntabwo wowe uri umunyeshuri. He is not a student. He is not a student. We si umunyeshuri. She is not a student. We si umunyeshuri. He is used for boys and men. He ikoreshwa ku bagabo no ku bahungu. He is not a student. We ntabwo ari umunyeshuri. Maybe Peter, John is not a student. Okay? She is not a student. She is used for women and girls. Mu gihe she yo ikoreshwa ku badamu no ku bakobwa. She is not a student. We si umunyeshuri. It's not a dog. It's not a dog. Ntabwo yo ari imbwa. It is used for places like schools, for things like chairs, and for animal like a dog. Okay? It's not a dog. Ntabwo ari imbwa. Okay? Kize mu gice cyo hasi gisa n'icyihariye. This part is a little bit different from this one. Kino gice cyo hasi gitandukanye n'icyo hejuru kuko kiri mu bwinshi. Okay? We are not students. We are not students. Okay? Students, we are not students. Ntabwo turi abanyeshuri. Students. Tegereze neza. A twayikuyeho dushyiraho S. Students. Okay? Abanyeshuri. We are not students. Okay? We removed R and then we put S at the end of this noun students to make it plural because we are more than one. We are not students. Ntabwo turi abanyeshuri. They are not students. They are not students. Bo si abanyeshuri. They is used for places, for things, and also for people. So here, they are not students. Bo si abanyeshuri. Let's go through this sentence one more faster. I am not a student. Sindi umunyeshuri. You are not a student. Ntabwo uri umunyeshuri. Is not a student. We si umunyeshuri. She is not a student. We si umunyeshuri. It's not a dog. Ntabwo ari imbwa. We are not students. Ntabwo turi abanyeshuri. They are not students. Okay? Bo si abanyeshuri. Now, we are going to take a look at some more examples. I want you to listen carefully and repeat after the examples. Okay? Tugiye kureba izindi ngero nyinshi zitandukanye. Ndagira ngo utege amatwi noneho usubiremo nyuma ya buri rugero tuzajya dutanga. Okay? Let's take a look at the board. I am not. I am not. I am not a dentist. I am not a dentist. Ntabwo ndi muganga w'amenyo. You are not. You are not. You are not a driver. You are not a driver. Ntabwo uri umushoferi. He is not. He is not. He is not a mechanic. He is not a mechanic. ntabwo ari umukanishi. She's not. She's not. She's not a widow. She's not a widow. Ntabwo ari umupfakazi. It's not. It's not. It's not a house. It's not a house. Ntabwo ari inzu. We are not. We are not. We are not brothers. We are not brothers. Ntabwo turi abavandimwe. We are not sisters. We are not sisters. Ntabwo turi abavandimwe. They are not. They are not. They are not footballers. They are not footballers. Ntabwo ari abakinnyi b'umupira w'amaguru. So in this video we learned subjective pronouns, be verb, and how to use them with the word not. Okay, before we go, I wrote some sentences on the boards talking about myself using the lesson. Okay, let's take a look at the board and go through. Okay, first we have I am not a woman. Okay, I am not a woman. Ntabwo ndi umudamu. Aha naho turafatanya iyi not na turafatanya ku ijambo rimwe. Not a woman. Not a woman. I am not a woman. Ntabwo ndi umudamu. I am not a student. Ntabwo ndi umunyeshuri. I am not a student. Ntabwo ndi umunyeshuri. I am not a Canadian. I am not a Canadian. Ntabwo ndi umunyakanada. I am not a Canadian. Sindi umunyakanada. Last sentence, interuro ya nyuma. I am not a loser. I am not a loser. Ntabwo ndi umuhombyi. Loser. Loser. Loser bivuga umuhombyi. Loser. Umuhombyi. Biva kuri verb to lose. Gutakaza cyangwa guhomba. I am not a loser. Ntabwo ndi umuhombyi. I am not a Canadian. Ntabwo ndi umunyakanada. I am not a student. Ntabwo ndi umunyeshuri. I am not a woman. Ntabwo ndi umugore. Okay, that's it guys, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.